This vehicle is fantastic for your kids as it can accommodate any regular-sized child and boasts a finely tuned handling system for the best experience. It closely resembles a scaled-down version of the Unimog, complete with an advanced dashboard featuring a steering wheel and pedals. Today I'll guide you through assembling the Unimog two-wheel drive UTV. Make sure to refer to the user guide for more assembly and safety details. Start by gathering all the pieces. If anything is damaged or missing, it could affect the vehicle's stability. So do make sure to check the parts list in the user guide for reference. In the package you are provided with 2 metal wrenches, 1 L-wrench, 1 bolt, 2 screws, 7 nuts, 6 iron wire pins, 2 washers, 1 front axle, part 1, and 2, 1 rear axle, 4 hubcaps, 4 wheels, 1 steering wheel, 1 windshield, 2 window parts, 2 side mirror kits, 2 headlights, 1 exhaust part, 2 seats, 2 fence parts and 2 gearboxes. Let's start by flipping the vehicle over onto a flat surface and removing all parts and packaging from the body. Now let's begin assembling the front axle kit. There are 2 parts for the front axle, part 1 and part 2. Start by removing front axle part 2 by taking out the iron wire pins and washers at each end. Rotate the axle at each end so that the wheel axles face outwards. Then reassemble the front axle part 2 and front axle part 1. Insert the front axle kit into the front frame and the steering column into its designated hole on the front axle. Secure both ends of the front axle kit using washers and nuts. Lift the dump box and retract its gears, then lift the rear frame and press the button switch to snap it into place. Then insert the rear axle into the rear frame. Grab the gearbox and ensure that you are placing it at the correct angle. Place the gearbox into the rear axle, ensuring correct orientation. Thread the gearbox wiring connector through the corresponding hole. Slide the wheels onto the rear axle and secure them with nut washers and attach hubcaps. Repeat the same for the front axle mounted wheels. You can use the provided 2 plastic wrenches rotating in opposite directions to tighten nuts. Now flip the car back right side up. Connect the steering wheel connector to the steering mount. Remove the nut and bolt from the steering wheel, slide it onto the steering mount and then replace the nut and bolt to secure it. Install the windows parts on both sides first, then add the windshield. Next, install the truck's headlights and side mirror kit. Finally, install the truck's exhaust parts and secure them with screws. For the power connector, you will see a connector with a red and black wire. To connect the battery, you need to connect the power connector before assembling the seat. After the connector is connected, press the start button. Otherwise, the car won't start due to no power supply. After charging, please unplug the charger first, then press the start button. Now grab the seat and align the slots to install it. Finally, install the dump box's fence parts.